Hi beauties and welcome back to another video. My name is Randy and I'm so excited to be collaborating with Halara again on today's video. If you haven't seen my last unboxing video with Halara, go ahead and watch that now. So a big shout out and thank you to Halara for wanting to collaborate with me again. I am so obsessed with their products, or should I say their clothes. I have been wearing them non-stop since my last video. I'm actually even wearing one of their tops right now. I just love the backless design. It's perfect. Your tanks are literally perfect because they have built-in bras and they have fun little backs, but you don't have to worry about having to find the perfect bra to go with it because it's already built in. So it's like the easiest thing to wear, but it's so cute. So we have a bunch more tank tops coming today, and we're also going to focus on their buckle line. Some of their newer pieces have little buckle accents on them, so they're just the cutest thing. I don't know if you saw the skirt in my last video, but it was one of my favorites. So I'm very excited to see the items today. We're gonna do it the same way we did in the last video, where I'm gonna show you the tops standing right here so you can see them, and then I'm going to stand on the chair behind me so you can see the bottoms, just so everything is within frame and high detail. I'm not going in any particular order, so we're just gonna start taking them out and trying them on. So let's get started. Oh my gosh, so cute. So I think this is one of the items that they picked out for me. Some of these I picked out myself and some of them they just threw in as a surprise. So this is one of their buckle lines, and this is more of like a biker short it looks like, or a yoga short. I'm probably gonna use these for running. Let's try them on. Here they are in all of their glory. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. These are so cute. I just feel like their buckle line is so unique because like, when are you ever going to see workout shorts with like little buckle designs like this? This is just so unique and cute. Like a way to make yourself feel stylish when you're working out, biking, doing yoga. Like how fun. This is so cute. I love the cross design in the front, kind of the crisscross. So cute. Okay, I realized the camera was a little bit high, so you couldn't quite see all the way down there. So this is another one of their buckle items, and this is a skirt. This is kind of like one of their schoolgirl skirts, but it's they have shorts underneath, which, let's be real, that's like a priority for me. If I'm wearing a skirt, I almost always want there to be shorts. It just makes it so much more comfortable to wear, knowing that you don't have to worry about flashing anyone, just having the shorts underneath. It's always so comfortable. Wow, this is so cute and it fits so perfectly. I love it. It just zips up on the side here. It feels very secure. I forgot to mention I am 5'2", about 110, 115 pounds, and I am extra small. So freaking cute. I'm obsessed. These materials are so high quality too. That's one of the things that I love about Halara, is that all of their products are just so high quality. You can tell they're made well, so you can wear them over and over again without worrying about them falling apart. All right, let's open up some color. Oh, this is one of the tops. I'm so excited. It's a pink top. It's kind of like that bathing suit or workout material. We've got the crisscrosses in the back. I actually think my camera is able to show like the full outfit up here, so I'm just gonna come up here and show you the top. Of course, it has the built-in bra, so you don't have to worry about anything showing with this cute back. I can't see it, but I can feel it, and I can just feel how beautiful this back is. This together even is just so cute. I'm obsessed. I love this color. I love the style. It feels so secure. I just feel like I could go for a jog in this, but at the same time, it's perfect for going out and about and just having fun. So I realized that one of the straps was a little bent, so I just fixed that for you guys so you can get the full effect. Super beautiful. I love. Next. Oh my gosh, the skirt. I picked this one out. This one's kind of in a champagne color. It's got these little bows in the front, but it's a pleated skirt in the back. I'm just going to try it on because I know it's going to be cute. This skirt is so perfect. Got the shorts underneath, of course, the cute little bows. the back. How cute. I forgot to do the shape test with the other skirt, but I'm sure it looks just as cute. This is just definitely not with this color tank top, but with the white tank top I was just wearing, that would be cute. The black one. I love how you can wear these when you're doing sports and look mega girly and cute, or you can wear them out and about. It's just so perfect, and they fit so nice. The material just feels so comfortable. This one they threw in themselves. This is a long maxi skirt with their buckles on them. Fun. This is totally giving dark willow. You know, if you watch Buffy the Vampire Slayer, you'll know what I'm talking about. But when Willow from Buffy the Vampire Slayer goes dark, this is what I imagine her wearing. So cute. I feel like such a baddie in this. Oh. Like, there's something about this buckle style that just elevates everything. From the back. We also have the built-in shorts underneath, which we love so we don't accidentally flash anyone. But the slit is giving... Wait, how am I just now realizing there's two slits? Oh my gosh, this is just... This is such a like take over the world skirt. This is such a bad girl skirt. I love it. This is so cute. I just realized you couldn't see the skirt all the way down, how long it goes. It does go all the way down to my little 5'2" legs. So for reference, I will have to wear a little bit of heels for these because I feel a little short, like I'm stepping on it. But I'm so obsessed, so cute. This is one of the tops that I'm most excited about. I love this color and the design in the back. You can't see it when it's off of me, but it's so cute. Let's just put this one on. This top is also another one that has the built-in bra. Oh, it's so comfortable. Let's turn around so you can see the back. I hope I have all the straps like correct. And it tied cute, but it's got this cute little bow. I just love how the straps are also thick, but yet you can still see like a design, and it's got a fun bow on the back, and it just like elevates any outfit, and you don't even have to try. Literally you just put this on, no bra, no complications. It stays so just perfect, perfect. This looks like another buckle piece. Cute. It looks like they threw in some leggings with buckles. Oh, how fun. So like some yoga or running leggings. These are in like a maroon color. Let's put them on. All right, here are the long yoga pants. They do have the little V-cut in the top and the little buckle on the thigh. I just think these are so cute to elevate your normal workout clothes. The color combination here kind of reminds me of Christmas. So cute. It's just, oh, they feel so high quality and so soft and yet like so stylish. Next we have another tank. Oh, this is the exact same one that I got last time, but in black because I've just literally worn it every day. I love how it has the very minimal twist back so that in the summer I can just put this on, get a nice tan on my back, and not have to worry about wearing a bra. It literally just feels like nothing. I love it. So let's try on the black one. Oh, I'm so excited to have this in black. I'm just obsessed with how minimal this back is. It's just like open. I can feel everything. It's great. And then like when it's a beautiful day, I can feel the breeze, I can feel the sun, but I don't have to worry about going anywhere. It's so secure, it's just, and it goes with everything. It's literally just the perfect tank top. Love it. Next is another skirt. This is actually the same skirt that I got last time with the buckle on the thigh, but instead of just all black, it's in this blue and green plaid. I just thought it was so cute, little school girl plaid skirt, you know? I'm obsessed. It fits so comfortably, so cute. This goes perfect with this tank top. I just love the peep of the little buckle. It's just too cute. And I love the skirt and how it's a score. It's just too cute. And the materials are so thick and so high quality. You could wear this while you're doing sports, or you could wear it just out and about, which is probably what I would be doing because I'm not a sporty girl. Next are these double layer shorts. They have this mesh lining, so it kind of looks like dressed up, I feel. I don't know, let's try them on. These are so comfortable. They have the regular shorts underneath and then like the lighter fabric on top with the pretty little mesh lining. I'm totally going to take these jogging in the park in the morning. I've been going every morning almost, and it's been so nice. And I've needed some more jogging shorts, and these are just perfect. And we have another strappy tank top. This one's in one of my favorite colors, that like, you know, seafoam green. And it's got some cute little design in the back, so let me put it on so you can see it properly. Once again, we've got this seamless built-in bra. I'm so obsessed with how nicely these tank tops fit. They just feel so secure. You really feel like in there in a good way. The back, let's just take a moment. So beautiful. All the designs. I love how these tank tops can elevate your outfit without feeling like you're having to make any effort. Like, I could literally wear these shorts and this tank top and it's just automatically elevated because of the back. Like, how freaking cute. And it's just the easiest thing to slip right into. I like how this one's a little bit less cropped, so it feels more like a full tank top, and it's got this little, like, I don't know, section right here. It feels so cute and secure, and the quality of these tank tops is just so superior. We have another tank top. This one has one thick strap and one thin one. So this one I was actually a little worried about because I was worried it would bother me that the two sides weren't like even, they were different. But I actually feel like it's really cute and fashionable, and it like levels up the tank top, you know what I'm saying? It just makes it look very unique and fashionable without like doing much. You don't have a fancy back, you don't have like anything crazy going on. It's just that one strap is a little daintier than the other, and it just elevates it. And of course you have the built-in bra, so you're not worrying about having to pick a bra to go with the straps, but it's very cute and simple. This is another tank top. It has a cute strappy back. I got it in white so that it can go with everything. I'm so excited. Here we are, another built-in bra. So cute, very supportive. And of course we have the beautiful back. I hope I have everything like all aligned and not twisted. Once again, just the easiest thing to throw on, not having to worry about picking out a bra, just picking out the tank top and having all this detail to work with so that you automatically look like leveled up. This even goes with what I'm wearing right now. It looks so good. I'm so excited to wear all these out. I'm probably going to be wearing all these non-stop. It's going to be hard to choose which ones to wear first. This was another one of the tank tops that I was most excited for just because I really love this color. But also the back is just so beautiful and strappy, so let's try this one. Here we are with another seamless bra front. This color is just so cute. Now I may have to get my fiance to help me with this back. This definitely isn't one of the easier tanks where you could just effortlessly throw it on and have like a beautiful back and just, you know, look perfectly cute. I definitely think this one's going to take some adjusting. I don't know if it's like squeezing the crap out of my back right now, but I'm definitely going to need my fiance to help me adjust this, but I can just imagine it is going to be so beautiful when I get it all perfectly adjusted. I just love a good strappy back, especially when you don't have to worry about wearing a bra. Like, I just feel so cute. Finally, we're down to the last item, and it's just another simple strappy tank. And the straps on this tank top are a lot more simple. They're just like really dainty and cute. Love the material on this one. It's like red and really soft, and it just feels very tight and like secure. I love it. It feels so high quality. And that is everything for today's Halara haul. Thank you again for Halara for working with me on this video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't already found me on Instagram, go ahead and find me on there. And with that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.